Here's how to redeem a PlayStation 5 gift card and use it to buy VBucks. This is a multi-step process, so you're going to want to stay till the end of the video to make sure you do it right. Alright, so to get started, go ahead and log into the PlayStation account that you want to redeem this card on. Next, you want to come over to the right and select the PlayStation Store. You then want to scroll up once and then go all the way over to the right and select these three dots. Then scroll down and select Redeem Code. Alright, so here's where you're going to enter in your 12-character code. So if you have a physical gift card, you're going to find this code on the back of the card. You'll have to scratch something out to reveal it. And if you bought a digital code online, you'll probably find the code in an email you got when you bought it. So I just went ahead and entered in my code. You want to ignore the dashes that you see in your code, just enter in the characters. And once you finish, click on Done. If you entered in your code correctly, you're going to see how much value that code has at the top. And at the bottom, you're going to see how much money you have in total in your PlayStation wallet. Next, click on Redeem. And now the money from your gift card has been added to your PlayStation wallet. Now at any time, if you want to see how much money you have in your wallet, you just want to come back and click on these three dots again in the PlayStation Store, and you'll see it here right under your name. Alright, so now that we've entered in our gift card, we can go ahead and buy some V-Bucks. Alright, so once you're in Fortnite, what you want to do is click on the R1 button on the top of your controller a few times until you're over to the V-Bucks section. So here are the 4 different V-Bucks options you have. So since I only entered in a $10 gift card, I can only get this first option here. So I'll go ahead and select it and then hold down X to purchase. Now on this page under the price, it should say charge to wallet. If it doesn't say that, click on the 3 dots and then you can go ahead and change your payment method to the wallet. Then click on confirm purchase. You then may be asked to enter in the password to your PlayStation account so that they can verify it's you. And now you've bought your V-Bucks. If this video ended up helping you, I would really appreciate it if you used my support a creator code in the Fortnite shop. So to do that, just scroll over to the shop and then click on Square. And then go ahead and enter in the name of my channel, SWIFTNESS, SWIFTNESS, and then click on Square to search it. If you do that, thank you, it really helps support the channel.